Hi guys, Joe here. I just wanted to show you something I've been working on. So this is just a normal tobacco tin, and I got a elastic bicycle ranger band around it. So when you open it up, you got all these little spices like pepper, chili, mustard, paprika, all the rest of them into these straws. And then these are a good sized straw. It's not like a small one. I mean, there's about a lighter size, so you'll get a few uses out of this. And I just think it's a good idea. Keep everything dry and compact. I mean, that's pretty compact. Again, I'll use a lighter for size-wise. Okay. And all you had to do is just get a straw, a lighter, scissor, and just the pliers from the multi-tool. All you gotta do is just pinch the end, heat it up, and then pinch it again, and then I will seal the end, and then just cut whatever length you need, and then you just fill it up. If you want to put pills in there, maybe you want to do some first aid, or maybe you want to make your survival kit a bit more compact and put everything in straws, and you can do that. The straws I bought, I had to buy online because no one sells plastic straws anymore. These are the size of the ones I'm using, and they're like the milkshake type ones, so they're quite big on the opening there. So you could get some good stuff there. Maybe a folded up one of those wire saws or something like that, or a fishing kit and stuff like that. But let me know what you think in the comment section. I mean, I've seen kits like this going for a lot of money in sets and small plastic containers, but I mean, this hardly cost me anything. I think I paid like £1 for the tin and a couple of quid for the straws. But I have like 200 straws, so you can make up as many sets as you want. So just an idea. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put notifications on. Catch you next video. Bye.